Well, welcome to our continued lecture series on how to, and what I wanted to do on this short little video is show you how you can use Blackboard for the course. Now I'm going to try to email as much to you as I possibly can and let you use the YouTube for the videos, but I want you to be aware that the Blackboard is available for you. And I know a lot of you have never used Blackboard before, so let's just take 5 minutes and show you how it's done. It is not as difficult as you might think. I know very much that you don't want to use the Blackboard, and I apologize for that, but circumstances are kind of ramming it down our throats at this point. So let's take a quick look. I'm going to go over to my Google screen here. Little magic, there we are. And in my web browser, I'm going to type hvcc.edu, and I am a student, right? And I scroll up and I see Blackboard. So I go to Blackboard. I have to sign in with my user ID and password. And on the right, you're going to see a listing of all the courses that are available. There's a lot on this home screen. Now, I have tons of courses, folks. But what you will see is HVAC 21302, which is our section. And this should be available to you. I don't have it set available at this minute, but by the time this video is posted, I will. So I turn it on, and it takes you to the front screen. I got a little graphic here so you can tell that it's kind of our course. And any announcements I can put here. And on the left, I have a place for videos. So all these how-to videos, here's the one I made last night on accessing your H drive. And it just links right to the YouTube page, and then you can watch it. And then I also have all the labs. Remember, we have 4 labs. So I put in a couple of place folders for the first 2 labs, and I'm starting the 3rd lab here, but I'll have that done by Tuesday when we lecture. And if you want to go to one of these, say the second one, you click on it, and there'll be a handout. There'll also be the links to the videos, which I don't have at the moment. And we'll go ahead here and we'll click on the handout, and here's our old friend, the handout for the second project, which I hope you largely have done at this point. And then what there is, see this icon here with the ruler and the pencil and the piece of paper? That's the submission icon. And the way this thing works is if you click on it, any materials you need to load, and you can see it was due, at the beginning of break, you can click on your Browse My Computer, and then you can load up a file. See, it brings up your window, and you can pick your file or files that contain your solution to the project. Now, I'm going to hit cancel because I'm not going to do it. But then that will submit it here to Blackboard, and then I'm able to open it up, read it, and assign a grade. You will find under your commands on the left-hand side, here I'm going to cancel out of that. There we go. The Grade Center, and you'll be able to see your grades. Now mine says needs grading because I'm the professor, but yours will be list the grades, and you'll be able to see your grades for the project. And I'm even going to put Project 1 and Project 2 in there, those grades, so you can see them. Because remember, we're only doing the 4 grades for the 4 projects, so there's 4 things that you'll need to see. And you'll be able to see those, and then if there's a question, you can ask me about it. There's a discussion board. If you can't find me online, and you're not going to be able to all the time, I'm doing other courses. I'm not sitting at the computer 24/7. The hell with that noise. So you can ask about the project or just general questions. You can click on these links, type in your question. I'll come in and read it, and then I can get back to you with an answer. So this Blackboard is just a way for us to communicate, but not necessarily in real time. We're going to be doing the Tuesday lectures online. Those are all set up. You'll be able to view those if you're in. If not, you can follow the subscription link to my Gmail account and watch them there. I will send you that subscribe link shortly, and then you'll have that as I get these videos posted up this weekend. But you'll see I'm trying to keep it very simple. An announcements page, the 4 projects page, and then just a link to all the various videos that are on YouTube, so you can get them through Blackboard and or YouTube. So I'm going to give you that choice. This is the one I made last night, and you'll see if I click on it, it just brings it up. There it is. Well, welcome to our lecture series on, and you'll notice there's my H drive, my home directory. That's where you're. Enough of that. But you can see, that'll take you to the page. You can subscribe to it, and as the videos are added, you'll see that, and you can watch them on your phone. You can look at them on your computer, whatever works for you. I know this is a bit of a change. I did not want to use the Blackboard with you, but at this point, I don't see any way around it. I'm worried about you just emailing me. There's 36 of you. I'm getting about 100 emails a day now with all this going on. I don't want to lose your project. So if we use the Blackboard, it will not get lost. So I am going to make you use the Blackboard, and you're going to go to project 3 here, and I have the project submission. You're going to hit that button and you're going to submit the project. I don't have the bid up yet. I'm still working on that. Here's project 3. Getting it typed up today. I've got a lot of it. Remember, I told you you're going to do mini split heat pumps and all that, but there you go. And I've got worksheets, and you're going to fill these out and send them back to me, and we're all going to be good. But now you've seen the Blackboard. Try to log in, give it a look, see if it makes sense for you, and we'll talk about it Tuesday.